Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be giving you 7 tips on how to love cleaning and organizing. So let's get into the video. Okay, so these are tips from someone who will admit that they used to be a slob. I didn't really fully understand the importance of cleaning and actually enjoying it until I was pregnant. Since then, I have learned to love it, and it's become a habit of mine. So tip number 1 is to block out some time, basically a time of the day where you can get some cleaning done. I like to do power hours or even 30 minutes. Just to have that block and to have a plan of what you want to get done that day. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be the entire house, but if you have time to do the entire house, do it. I try to do at least minimal things every day, and then I try to focus on an area every day, and I have usually about 30 minutes to an hour, and I plan that out. That way you're not just blindly going and cleaning and it feels like nothing's getting done. Having a plan is a huge tip to make it a lot easier for you. Alright, so tip number 2 is to get new cleaning supplies. I usually get new supplies every month or so. I use them, like I said, every day. So I find scents that I really like and I stick with those. Along with getting new cleaning supply, I also recommend, if you're doing some organizing, to go to the Dollar Tree, get yourself some organization bins. For example, these clear bins, you can use them for drawers. I use them for makeup and they are so great. And then just, some blue bins. They have a bunch of different sizes, colors, pretty much anything that you can think of you can find a bin for, and that actually motivates me to declutter and organize because I know that I have a place to put the things that I want to keep. Number 3, throw on some motivating music or even watch a bunch of cleaning videos. I usually do both. If I'm really just, having a hard time getting going for whatever reason, I will throw on some music. I usually use Spotify, and then if I'm really struggling that day, I will watch cleaning videos. There's a ton on YouTube, but they always get me motivated to get the job done, and I honestly enjoy watching them. I will have my music going while I'm cleaning, and that just makes it more enjoyable. Number 4, picture the end result, and also picture yourself doing the task. For example, if I have a really messy kitchen, I will just stand there and look at it for a minute, and then I'll try to picture what it's going to look like when it's clean. I'll also kind of picture myself cleaning it as well. So if I start in a certain area, I will kind of see what I'm going to be doing. And for whatever reason, that helps me kind of have a plan and relax a little bit and not feel so overwhelmed. When you have the picture in your mind of what it's going to look like, it makes me just want to jump in there and get it done. Tip number 5, have a treat or some kind of reward for yourself for when you're done. Whether it be getting Starbucks or some chocolate or just a bath, whatever it is that's gonna make you feel rewarded, make sure you have that for yourself. This has helped me have a less negative concept of cleaning because I have a reward for myself afterward, especially in the beginning. If you're really struggling to enjoy cleaning, this will definitely help you. Number 6, have a positive mindset. Think about this. Organizing and cleaning is ultimately going to make your life better. Nobody wants to live in filth. Nobody wants to be searching for things. They have no idea where their items are. It is so stressful. So changing your mindset and thinking in a positive way that this is going to improve our life, this is going to make things so much nicer for our space, for our everyday, that is huge. Because when you think of it negatively, like, ugh, I have to clean, or this is gonna take forever, you know, all those negative thoughts are gonna make you procrastinate even more. So if you switch your mindset to a positive thinking, this is gonna make life so much better. Our house is gonna be so clean and smell great, and I'm not gonna have to search for things. It's gonna help you so much more if you think of cleaning and organizing in a positive light. Tip number 7, making it a habit. So I start every day for the most part making my bed, and that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the day. I have a habit of starting laundry pretty much after that, and it kind of, once you get the ball rolling, you keep cleaning. Once you just get started with little things like that, it kind of makes you continue. Make it a habit of doing little things like that. It's going to make life a lot easier. It's also going to make your home or wherever you live not as super crazy dirty, and you won't feel so overwhelmed with all the mess and everything. As I'm helping our family live in a clean and nice environment, it just makes things so much less stressful. And by doing little things every day and making it a habit, things are, you know, life happens, things get let go, but I'm able to kind of get it back together really quickly if I have a habit every day. So those are my 7 tips on how to love and really enjoy cleaning and organizing. I really hope that this video helped you if you're struggling with just like getting started, or if you've never been a clean person like I used to be. I hope that these tips will help you at least get the ball moving and finding some kind of enjoyment in cleaning. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I would love to have you on my YouTube channel. You can hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos that I make. I try to upload a cleaning video or organizing video at least once a week. And I also do at least 2 other videos along with that. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.